Hello and welcome to Commodore Wholesale. Today I'd like to offer you a lovely VX Series 2 2002 model Holden Commodore with full body kit, set of alloy wheels in fire engine red. As you can see, the car is in excellent condition. Also comes fitted with petrol and gas. Not only does it look good, but is going to provide excellent economy. As you can see, part of all the accessories included comes with a full set of TV fitted to both rear headrests and also to the front, along with reversing camera. We're offering this car on special for the weekend only for $7,850. Okay. Obviously all your standards are included, cruise control, power windows and the like, and as you can see, TV to the front, fitted with CD, radio, DVD player, and also reversing camera.
Favourite number 29 winning.
Thanks very much, Sophie, and more for the middle race number.
Please give me a call. Okay, my mobile number is 0439 712 715. Thanks very much.